Hey guys, what's up? Hey, guess what? We got our very own air fryer and we're going to use it today for the first time. Alright, so in the air fryer today we are going to make some pork chops. Now what I've done, you can see they're in plastic bags there. I've got them in milk to tenderize them, and I've added some Mrs. Dash for some seasoning. And we're going to let that sit for 30 minutes. Then we'll come back and stick them in the air fryer and see how these babies turn out. We'll be right back. Alright, so what I've done is I've taken the pork chops out of the bag and placed them into this bowl because I'm going to coat them in olive oil, and then we're going to add some more Mrs. Dash to it as well. And then once that's completed, we will put them into the air fryer to start cooking. Now your air fryer may be different on its setup, so just keep that in mind. We're going to cook these for 20 minutes at 300 degrees, and hopefully they'll come out all nice and crispy. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on the olive oil. The way that you want to do this is you want to sprinkle olive oil onto the pork chops. And then you pick the pork chop up and you spread it on with your hands. And then you turn it over, spread the other side with your hands. Do that with every one of them. Okay, next you take the Mrs. Dash and then you sprinkle it onto the pork chops. This will add a crispy texture. And you turn these over and you sprinkle more on the other side as well. Alright, so now that we've got the coating on the pork chops, here's where the air fryer comes in. Now, as I explained earlier, your air fryer may be different in its setup, but all you do is you hit air fry, then you hit time, and we're going to cook these for 20 minutes. And as you can see, it's already set to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, but if you wanted to change that, you would just hit the temperature button and then turn the dial to whatever temperature you wanted. Then you hit start, and now it is preheating. Alright, it's just beeped at us to tell us to add food. So now you just pull the air fryer drawer out and then you place the chops into the drawer. And this drawer is just big enough to fit 4 pork chops. Once you get them in there, then you put the drawer back in, and voila, there it goes. It's going to cook for 20 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, we're at 10 minutes, so we're halfway through the cooking process. What you want to do is you want to pull the basket out, and you want to flip these things over. Now take a look at those things, guys. Those look really, really freaking good. This air fryer does a great job. Alright, get those flipped over. We'll put the basket back in the air fryer and cook them for 9 more minutes. Alright guys, the air fryer is done. I want you to check these babies out. Look at that. Nice, coated with the Mrs. Dash. They're not all dried out. I mean, those look scrumptious. Alright, so my wife and I ate the pork chops. I gotta be honest with you guys, they were really, really good. They were really good. Now, were they as tender and juicy as they would have been had they been cooked in oil? No. But with that being said, they were still really, really good. And we also had mashed potatoes and green beans to go with it, and that was good. That hit the spot. So if you guys enjoyed the video, then please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, show us some love and give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you want. And at that, this is Bill signing off from my better half. Have a great day.